You guys, look what I got. I'm super excited. Now, I know there has been a little bit of debate between the Coach girlies on TikTok regarding factory wrap and non-factory wrap. I'm a factory wrap type of girl.
Music when you speak yourself, unique. That's what you are.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yunique, but all my internet friends call me Yunique. Today we're going to be doing something fun and exciting. We're going to be doing a Coach unboxing. I'm so excited because I'm getting back into collecting Coach bags. I'm not a new Coach girly. However, I just started back collecting. Last year, I got the small Maggie tote and I absolutely fell in love with it. So now I'm going to be unboxing my first Rowan. I'm super excited about it. And if you stick around to the end, we're going to be dressing her up, as well as I'm going to be doing some mod shots in her to see how she looks on. Let's not waste time. We're going to jump right into it. And as always, if I pass the vibe check, you like what you see, you catching the vibe over here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up, like it, hype up the video. Thanks for all of your support. Hopefully you can see. Girls, I'm so excited. So this is my first Rowan, so I'm super excited. I've been seeing all the girlies having them on. I'm like, okay, girls, it's my turn. Let me get one. Let me see what this is all about. Okay, let's get the first look together. Ooh, okay, I'm liking it. Ooh, she's beautiful. Okay, I love pebble leather. Like, I have so many black pebble leather belt bags. I am really a black bag girly. I'm trying to get out of that. But I just love the look and feel of black pebble leather. So this is gonna fit right into my collection. Ooh, let's see. She is beautiful though. She is a beauty. Okay, let's see if you guys can see. Oh, and I just love the way they wrapped her and packaged her. That always is a major plus for me. That's major. So let me get her unwrapped and I'll be right back. Packaged very nicely. I love all the protective packaging that it comes with. And I am a gold girly, so this works perfectly for me. She is beautiful. I love the embossed leather. I love that it is actually different from the Maggie. And I love the puffy C's. However, I feel like I really like how this is embedded in there. It gives it a different feel, or deep ingrained. Online, it didn't look like they were as deep as they are. It really did not do this bag justice. This is how it looks in the inside. It does have the one zipper, it does have the one zipper pocket, and then it has the zipper pocket, and then it has the one button pocket. That you can put items in. I love that. And then it has, you know, the Coach Creed in the inside. So yeah, let's see what it's looking like. Ooh, I love it. It has a little bit of slouch, but I'm sure as I wear it, it will get more slouch to it. Let's see. It does have the feet on the bottom, and I absolutely love. They're not scratched up or anything. I love the reinforced leather bottom and the feet. That's always a plus. So yeah, and then let's take a look at the back. So the back, it has the one zippered pocket. It's pretty deep. I'm pretty sure my phone can fit. I have the 14 Pro Max, so I'm pretty sure it'll fit. When I'm dressing it up, I'll actually try to see if it'll fit, just to see. That's probably where I'll keep my phone for quick access. I love a long strap because I'm a crossbody girly. I love to do top handle as well as shoulder, but I also love the option of crossbody. So I'm gonna try it on crossbody as well and see how it's gonna fit. It does have the Coach right there, and then does it have it on this? It does have it around these, so you can see it right there. Of course, it has it on the zippers. It does have it right there, and the handles, they pull down, so that's helpful. And I love the hang tag. I'm going to get the hang tag heat stamped with my initials or something on there, so I can't wait to go do that. I'll probably do that this coming weekend. And yeah, I'm loving it. And it has Coach right here as well, and also on this it has Coach on your hang tag part. So absolutely love it. I'm super excited. Okay, girls, this is cute. Okay, I am loving it. I really do love this. Oh, I'm so excited. I love it. And then after I get her dressed up, we're gonna do some mod shots because I want to see how she looks with the outfit on. Guys, let's get her dressed up. Get her looking all cute and jazzy. All right, so I got a couple of things that I'm thinking about putting on here. Let's see. The first thing I want to put on her is this. I actually got this from Hobby Lobby. It was only $3.99. And sometimes when they have their bag accessories or some jewelry accessories, this will be half off. I don't think I paid half off for this one. Some of the ones I got that day I did pay half off for, but so yeah, these are good prices. You can also get them from Amazon too. So let's see, do I want to put this on this side or this side? I'm thinking this side because I like how the Coach hang tag is right here, and then I'm going to get a heat stamp with my initials, so I think that'll be cute and it'll bring more attention to that. So let's go ahead and get that added. Ooh, okay, it's already starting to look a little cute. Okay. And I got this right here. I got this from JCPenney's. And it's so cute. It's so me. If you know my personality, you know this is so me. What did I do right there? But yeah, she's so cute. So I'm gonna put her on. But yeah, this is the brand. I got this, and I also got a bunny. I'll show you guys the bunny too that I got. All right, so this is the bunny that I got, and she has a little rhinestone. I have to flip it back around and fix it, but yeah, it's real cute, real cute. So that's the other one I got from JCPenney. And I think you can also find this on Amazon too. If so, I will link it in the description box. All the stuff that I can find from Amazon or I've gotten from Amazon will be linked in the description box. Alright, so we're going to put her, I want to put her right here, but I don't know if this is too much, but let's just see. And I think I'm going to take this off. It has a cute little thing that says love. I don't know if you can see that, but it says love. That's so cute. But I think I'm going to take the key ring off because I'm not going to use it as a keychain.
Reset.
All right, that's cute so far. This is something I had years ago. I'm pretty sure I got this many moons ago. I don't even remember. Very, very long ago. This is Juicy Couture, and it's starting to actually turn a little bit right there, and I think I need to get another one anyway so that I can or I might need to glue this or make it so that it'll stay like this and not switch around. But I think this is going to give it a little edge because this has like spikes, and the tassel, I think that looks really good against the double C's with the embossed C's, and then a little fur puff. So I think that's going to look really edgy and cute. So I'm going to add this right here. Now, I don't know. What do you guys think? Because I think this looks a little bit too cluttered right here. And I really want to be able to see the embossed C's. So, I might move this. Let me see. Well, I don't know. Let me just finish and then we can try to figure it out together. I don't know. Do you guys think it looks too cluttered, or should I move her? Let me know in the comments below what you think. I don't know. Should I just cut this part off maybe, and then it'll just be the hanging tassel, and then that will give it more. I don't know. I really don't want to cut it off, but we'll see. And then I got some items from the Coach store. I got this, but I don't know if I'm going to use it because it's already looking too busy. I could probably put this on another bag. This can go on another bag, so we might put this on this one. Oh, but let me show you guys something I did get that are so cute. These are bamboo earrings, O-rings, and they're so cute. These are so me. If you know me, you know these are my jam right here. So I got these from Hobby Lobby, and they were actually on sale. I'm going to go back and get a couple other packages of these. They come in a set of 2, so I'm going to go back and get some more of these this weekend. So those are really cute. I think I want to add my Y. I got this from Amazon. This will be linked below. So she's coming together cute. I just think this is too busy. So what I might do is, let me see. I had hooked this to the zipper. This was not supposed to go on the zipper. Let me hook this right here and drop this a little bit lower. Let me see. Alright, so that hangs a little bit lower, and then I have my hang tag right there. Let me see if I hook this to the zipper and move the zipper over. How would that look? But I really don't like stuff hanging from the zipper, but here, let's just try it out. And I'm going to move it over this way, and I'll just have to have my zipper always stay to the side. But I don't think that looks too bad because it gives it a little bit of space right here. But I know this might flop over. I don't know, because I don't want to stick it on the side because it's gonna hang. Let me show you guys. I don't want to put it over here because it's gonna hang too low, and I don't like how that looks. See, it's gonna hang lower than the bag, and I don't think that looks cute. So I think I'll just, and I won't use this zipper. I'll primarily use this second zipper. So I think that looks cute. That looks cute. Now, the last thing I think I'm going to do to this bag is, because I don't want to do too much because I want the leather, the embossed C's, to actually be the star of the show. But I did want to give it a little pizzazz. But I think what we're going to do now is put a scarf on this. So I got a cute little scarf from Amazon. I got this silk scarf from Amazon. I know you guys have seen it. This is the brand. I'm going to link it below. But I got this from Amazon. So, let's try to tie it on there, make it look real pretty. All right, so we're gonna just do a little braid on it. I think it's jazzy looking. Now let me see if my cell phone is going to fit in the back pocket. I'm actually filming on my cell phone, but here's my case. I have a iPhone 14 Pro Max, and yeah, it looks like it's gonna fit in there perfectly. So yeah, I might leave that open so when I'm out and about, I can just quickly grab my phone. Or, I mean, I don't think the zipper is gonna be a major issue. Let me see. Yeah, or I can zip it up and then it'll work fine too. Yeah. So we're gonna leave it unzipped for right now. All right, y'all, this is how it's looking. This is how I styled her. I need to make this tighter though. This is how I styled her. She's looking good. Here. I might try to make this shorter. I don't know. We'll see. I'll come back and see if I make this shorter because I think I kind of want it shorter than this. I kind of want it like right there. So I might make it shorter. But overall, this is how it's looking right now. Not too bad. Not too bad. See. Okay, y'all, I had so much fun unboxing her, dressing her up. I think she looks so jazzy and cute, if I do say so myself. If you enjoyed my vibe, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button because I would love to have you come on back for the next video. And until next time, peace, love, and blessings. And I hope you always remember to stay uniquely you. Bye.